In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Apple Pay in Shopify Payments. Enabling Apple Pay in Shopify Payments is one of the easiest ways to give your customers a faster and more convenient checkout experience. Instead of filling out all their details manually, shoppers can complete their purchase with just a tap using the payment details already stored on their Apple device. This not only speeds up the checkout process but also increases trust and can help reduce abandoned carts. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard here and head over to the settings section at the bottom left corner. From there, click on Payments. If you're already using Shopify Payments, you'll see it listed as your active payment provider. Within the Shopify Payments section, scroll down to the Wallets area. This is where you'll find Apple Pay alongside other digital wallet options like Google Pay and Shop Pay. To enable Apple Pay, simply check the box next to it. Once you do, Shopify automatically integrates it into your checkout system. You don't need to add any extra code or install additional apps. Apple Pay will now appear as a payment option for customers who are shopping on a compatible Apple device using Safari. It's important to note that Apple Pay only shows up when the customer meets the requirements, meaning they're browsing on Safari with a supported iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and they've already set up Apple Pay in their device's wallet. For those customers, the option will appear right on the checkout page, making it seamless for them to complete the purchase. After enabling it, you can test the checkout process yourself using an Apple device to make sure everything is working smoothly. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.